Hey friends, happy Cyber Monday. It is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler. And can you tell we're in the spirit here today? So we're doing a special live show today, 12 noon, inside my phone app. And it's going to be fun if you couldn't tell, right? I don't often wear hats, but I'll wear a hat for you guys for today. So our 20% off just about everything on our stores is continuing. Plus, we have a bonus today on Cyber Monday where we have a coupon code, thank you 10, that you can enter into your cart to get an additional $10 off of a $75 purchase. So join me. We'll be going through some fun stuff today. You know what I'm talking about today. I'm going to be mentioning or talking about that big calendar that literally runs my farm. I'm going to tell you where you can find one because I don't sell it, but I'm going to tell you where to get it for a deal and then how I actually kind of use that for planning and how you can make your planning dreams come true by stocking up and saving some bucks of the things that you're going to already be buying, right? That's the secret to making the most out of a sale. So friends, I hope you'll join me at 12 noon Eastern time inside the phone app. If you don't have my app, you can just comment app here and I'll DM it, or just go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. Every week, we normally do the show on Fridays, right? But every week we give away something, and today I am giving away a $25 store credit. So that means on top of all the killer savings you're going to have, you're going to also get $10 off of a $75 coupon. And if you're the lucky winner, you could get a $25 store credit. And I think today, I think I'm actually demonstrating today our hose, my stand-up hose, and I just can't wait to see you. So get your lunch, grab a beverage, maybe a little leftover turkey from the weekend, and join me at 12 noon Eastern time. It's going to be fun. We have a lot of fun stuff. Our girls love to party, and they do a really great job decorating. And again, it'll be packed with gifts, ideas. We have so many under $10 great gifts that you can literally do all your Christmas shopping. If they own a home or they do anything outside, we can hook you up. All right, and I don't know about y'all, but I just don't like shopping, going into stores anymore. And how great is it to know that you can buy from a small business and support a local community of people. I did a post about this on social media over the weekend. I posted so many pictures of the team, of the people that you actually support when you purchase from us. I mean, we're all, we love our jobs, and we just love having this mission that we can all get behind, and y'all are the ones that make that all possible. And that's why we do sales, right? I mean, it's to reward the people that are our people. So come and make the most of it today, y'all. All right, friends, see you at 12 noon Eastern time inside the phone app. Search Gardener's Workshop if you go to your phone's app store, or comment app, and I'll DM you the link to get it. It's free. Just download it. Doesn't take but a second. All right, friends, till we meet again. Ciao.